So what are we doing here?
Painting my harness bar, priming it up. What color do you think I should paint this?
I don't know.
I'm thinking either white, purple, or some other color. For me, do one of those. Those are the colors I have. That's why those are the options.
Purple would look cool if you do some other purple stuff.
Yeah, besides my seat, that'd be, and I guess my steering wheel, that'd be the only purple thing. The filament I'm getting for my 3D printers would be purple. Said, like 2 to 3 coats, 2 minutes apart. Light coats, I don't like that term, but whatever. Whoops. Oh, there's one coat, Cody. That's first coat. Smells great.
Yeah.
If this can all even out, I think this will look good. Good enough. I'll try and do 3 coats of this. I'll try my hardest.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence. Please, you're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently,